Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly exciting topic: how to make money with AI. That's right, we're talking about leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to create new opportunities and revenue streams. So, if you're curious about tapping into the potential of AI, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Number 1. The AI revolution. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence has transformed industries across the globe, from healthcare to finance and even creative fields. Businesses are integrating AI-driven solutions to enhance productivity, efficiency, and customer experiences. Number 2. Identifying opportunities. Now, how can you actually make money with AI? Well, the first step is identifying opportunities. Look for areas where AI can solve problems or improve processes. This could be anything from automating repetitive tasks to predicting market trends. The possibilities are vast. Number 3. Creating AI-powered products. One approach is to develop AI-powered products. This could mean building apps, software, or even physical products that utilize AI. For example, a language translation app powered by AI, or a smart home device that adjusts settings based on user behavior. Number 4. Offering AI services. If you're more of a service-oriented person, offering AI services might be your path. Businesses often need experts to develop, implement, and manage AI solutions. This could involve tasks like data analysis, machine learning model development, and AI strategy consultation. Number 5. Content creation. Yes, from generating articles to designing visuals, AI tools can assist in content creation. You could start a blog, a YouTube channel, or even offer content generation services to businesses. Number 6. Investing in AI. Don't forget about investing in AI. As the technology advances, so do investment opportunities. Consider investing in AI-focused companies, startups, or even AI-driven stocks in established companies. Number 7. Upskilling. Now, let's talk about upskilling. Learning about AI is crucial if you want to capitalize on its potential. There are numerous online courses and resources that can help you understand AI concepts, coding, and implementation. Number 8. Challenges and ethics. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. It's important to consider the ethical implications of AI, such as bias in algorithms and potential job displacement. By addressing these challenges, you can build a more sustainable AI-focused venture. Number 9. Final thoughts. To sum it up, making money with AI is a journey that requires a blend of innovation, skill development, and ethical consideration. Whether you're creating AI-powered products, offering services, or investing, the opportunities are abundant. So, are you ready to dive into the AI-driven future? Thank you for joining us today as we explored the exciting world of making money with AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights.